Now moving on to Chennai. North Chennai hasn't seen much activity on the real estate front, and that isn't much of a surprise. Being one of the older parts of the city, the region is home to Chennai's factories and industrial belts. But that changed a few years ago when Chennai-based Bini Limited sold nearly 70 acres of the historic Bini Mills for development. Now the group has decided to open up the remaining land bank that it owns for real estate development. What does this mean for North Chennai? Does the region have what it takes to warm up to the newfound real estate? Jude Sanit gets you the complete picture.
It's nearly 140 years old and used to be just over 140 acres. But today, Chennai's famed Bini Mills along the Perambur Barracks Road could see the last of its colonial avatar. These derelict rooftops will soon give rise to skyscrapers, a 70-acre transformation that could result in Chennai's largest township. Just last month, the mill's owners, Bini Limited, announced a foray into real estate. This was closing the heels of similar ventures in the same neighborhood. Real estate projects launched on land bought from the mill itself. Bini has so far been tight-lipped about the kind of product it plans on launching on the 70-acre land bank beyond these walls. But the word doing the rounds is that the project could be a fully integrated township with luxury homes, which on completion could be priced between 8,500 to 9,000 rupees per square foot. Today, the average weighted price in Perambur is between 6,000 to 6,500 rupees per square foot. Arihant Developers and Unitech jointly launched a 70-acre township in 2011, while Chennai-based Landmark Group bought out a 14-acre land parcel from the mills just 2 years ago for 490 crore rupees. According to Jones Lang LaSalle, the total inventory in this market is close to 7,000 homes, but only 700 of which are occupied. And with an average inventory overhang of 35 months, any additional inventory will make for a tough sale. But existing players in North Chennai feel that going soft on pricing could translate to solid sales.
Somewhere close to a 30 lakh for a single bedroom, less than a 50 lakhs for a 2-bedroom, and not exceeding 60-65 lakhs for a 3-bedroom will do fantastically well for developers. And that market has that potential, has the appetite of even 5,000 units today, for sure.
A lifestyle change could be the need of the hour for North Chennai. Demand in that sense does exist. But the bigger worry today is how quickly these homes can be completed. With the market reeling from the slowdown, experts say that frequent revisions in completion deadlines could matter in the long run.
It is all about timely delivery, Jude, and as of now, developers have not really got that right. But keeping in mind that whoever is there in that micro market, for example, the Chennai port, Ennore port, all are very close, your trader community, all are looking at bettering their lifestyles. And if that is given to them, they'll definitely lap it up.
Chennai's northern suburb could be set for a whole new facelift. But how quickly developers here complete their projects and how well they tap into a whole new audience could hold the answers to how successful this location can get. In Chennai with camera person Edwin, Jude Sanit, NDTV.